Welcome to the channel Quotes for Your Life. Money is required for survival in this world. Money is not everything, but without money, you cannot survive. That is the bitter truth. But unfortunately, most of us don't have enough money to live our lives on our own terms. We work hard for money, but still we feel that there is shortage of money. So why are we struggling with money? The reason is very simple. It is the way we think about money. If our mindset about money is wrong, then no matter how much we earn, it will always be insufficient. In fact, when you change your mindset about money, automatically you will start attracting more money into your life. So today, I want to share 20 powerful tips to change your mindset about money. By the end of this video, you will have a complete clarity on how to think about money. So let's get started. 1. Understand the value of money. When you were young, you probably didn't think much about money. Your parents took care of all your needs and you never had to worry about where the next meal was coming from or how you would pay for school supplies. But as you got older, you started to understand the value of money. You learned that it can buy you the things that you need and want, and it can give you the freedom to do what you want to do. Once you understand the value of money, you will start to appreciate it more and take steps to improve your financial situation. 2. Believe that you deserve to be rich. One of the first steps to becoming rich is believing that you deserve to be rich. If you don't believe that you deserve to be rich, then you will never be able to achieve your financial goals. You must believe that you are worthy of all the money that you desire. Once you believe that you deserve to be rich, then you will start to see opportunities everywhere to make money. 3. Stop comparing yourself with others. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make is comparing yourself with others. Everyone is at a different stage in their life and everyone has different financial goals. Just because someone else has more money than you does not mean that you are not successful. It just means that they have worked harder than you to achieve their financial goals. Comparing yourself with others will only make you feel bad about yourself, and it will hold you back from achieving your own goals. 4. Focus on your strengths. Everyone has different strengths and talents. Some people are good at math and science, while others are good at art and music. Everyone has something that they are good at. When you focus on your strengths, you will be able to achieve more than you ever thought possible. You will also be able to make money doing what you love. So find out what you are good at and focus on it. 5. Take calculated risks. Risks are necessary if you want to achieve anything in life. It is the same with money. If you want to make more money, you must be willing to take some risks. But it is important to remember that not all risks are worth taking. You must always calculate the risks and benefits before making any decision. Only then you will be able to avoid unnecessary risks. 6. Develop a positive self-image. Your self-image is a powerful force that can either help you or hurt you. If you have a negative self-image, then you will believe that you are not capable of achieving your financial goals. But if you have a positive self-image, then you will believe that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So it is important to develop a positive self-image if you want to become rich. 7. Visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. When you visualize your success, you create a clear vision of what you want to achieve. This makes it easier for your mind to find ways to achieve those goals. So take some time each day to visualize your success. Imagine what it would feel like to achieve your financial goals. This will help you stay focused and motivated on your path to riches. No. 8. Use affirmations to reprogram your thinking. Our thoughts control our actions and our beliefs. If we think we are poor, then we will act in ways that keep us poor. But if we think we are rich, then we will act in ways that make us rich. So it is important to reprogram your thinking if you want to change your financial situation. And the best way to do this is by using affirmations. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself every day until they become your beliefs. No. 9. Practice gratitude. Being grateful for what you have is the best way to attract more abundance into your life. When you focus on the negative, you will only attract more negativity. But when you focus on the positive, you will attract more positivity. So take some time each day to practice gratitude. Be grateful for all the blessings that you have in your life. This will open the doors for even more blessings. Number 10. Learn to say no. It is impossible to say yes to everything. When you say yes to everything, you are spreading yourself too thin and you are not able to focus on what is important. The same is true with money. If you say yes to every financial opportunity that comes your way, you are setting yourself up for failure. You must learn to say no to bad financial deals, just like you say no to bad relationships. No. 11. Set clear financial goals. If you want to achieve something in life, then you must first have a clear goal. The same is true with money. If you want to make more money, then you must set clear financial goals. When you have clear goals, it is easier to develop a plan to achieve those goals. So take the time to set realistic and achievable financial goals. This will give you a roadmap to follow on your path to riches. Number 12. Break your goals into small steps. Large goals can be overwhelming, and it is easy to get discouraged when you are faced with a huge task. But when you break your goals into smaller steps, it becomes much more manageable. You can start taking action right away, and you won't feel so overwhelmed. So break your goals down into smaller steps and celebrate your progress along the way. This will keep you motivated and on track to achieving your financial goals. Number 13. Take responsibility for your actions. It is easy to blame others for your failures, but the truth is that you are responsible for your own actions. If you want to succeed, then you must take responsibility for your actions and learn from your mistakes. Don't let your mistakes define you. Instead, use them as motivation to do better next time. Remember, success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Number 14. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. There is no shame in asking for help. In fact, it is one of the best ways to ensure your success. When you ask for help, you are tapping into the knowledge and experience of others. So don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals for help. They can provide valuable insights and guidance that can help you on your path to riches. Number 15. Build a strong support system. Having a strong support system is essential if you want to succeed. Your support system should consist of people who believe in you and want the best for you. These people will be there to offer help and encouragement when you need it the most. So make sure to invest in your relationships and build a strong network of supporters. Number 16. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, and it is especially powerful when it comes to money. The more you know about money, the better equipped you will be to manage it effectively. Read books, attend seminars, and connect with other successful individuals to learn as much as you can about money. Investing in your education will pay off in the long run. Number 17, surround yourself with positive people. Your mindset is heavily influenced by the people you surround yourself with. If you want to adopt a positive money mindset, then surround yourself with people who have a positive mindset about money. Avoid negative people who complain about money all the time. Positive people will inspire you to achieve your financial goals, while negative people will hold you back. Number 18, keep learning and growing. The world is constantly changing, and if you want to keep up with it, you must keep learning and growing. This is especially important when it comes to money. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and you must be willing to adapt to changes. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. This will help you become more resilient and adaptable in the face of financial challenges. No. 19. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is an essential part of the success process. Every successful person has experienced failure, but they didn't let it stop them from trying again. When you fail, take some time to learn from your mistake and then pick yourself up and try again. Remember, it is not the number of times you fall that matters, but the number of times you get up that truly counts. Number 20, trust the timing of your life. Sometimes things don't happen when we want them to, but that doesn't mean that it's not happening for us. Trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan. Have faith that things will work out for the best. When you trust the timing of your life, you will be able to relax and enjoy the journey. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends. Namaskar.